The world's biggest tape machine.
Yeah.
10
meters, 10-metre tape.
So, Gad, tell me what's going on here, please.
Yeah, so finally the windows are going in. We've EPDM'd obviously on the bench over there, prepping them, EPDM'd them with a nice tray for weathering, to waterproof, for air seal. We've got the straps on them, so it's easier to fix. As you can see here, there's a few already gone in. Yeah, just literally getting them in, and start getting the glass in later on.
Here's a window that hasn't been fitted yet. You can see the EPDM that's stuck on the internal part, and this peel back reveals the adhesive. And then we've got the galvanised straps here that are secured by two self-tappers here to the external part of the frame, and that's what secures it to the reveal. There's just a couple that have been packed out and secured here for now, but the rest of them will be done over time, and when it's brightened up and dry this afternoon, they'll put the EPDM on. Stick this down on the external part. These are galvanised straps here.
Yeah.
And how have you fixed those in?
So with SDS, obviously into the concrete pour with concrete fixings, literally straight in, no plug-in, just straight in with them.
Here's a few of the downstairs frames stacked and ready to go. They've already got the straps on. So, yeah, quite a few frames. The guys went up to pick up 22 glazed units yesterday, and I think there's about another 10 or 12 still to come, so there's still a lot. The sills have already started to go down, and then the frames naturally sit on the back of the sill here, up against this point here, so they'll sit there like that, and yeah, then they'll be EPDM'd. So you roll that EPDM on, do you, Gav?
Yeah, so when you use the paste as well, because obviously just being on the foam build, it's the self-adhesive pitch just still probably not enough.
Okay, Al, so what are we doing here then? Oh, you're doing here.
Fucking about.
Okay, so we've got this tarp on the flat roof area to try to keep it weather-tight for a while before the flat roof gets fitted, but it's pooling a little bit on water. So big day on site today. It's a window day, so the window frames have been fitted and all the glass is being fitted today. So we have a crane coming in to lift the panes, which are 2.7 metres and in some places over 3 metres wide each pane. So we needed a crane to lift them in. So it's going to be a long day. Weather is not brilliant, but it's not raining at the moment. But yeah, we've got a lot of glass to go in. I think 34 panes. So these are some of the panes that are going in today. And that corner elevation at the end, which is the what they call a floating corner, is probably going to be the hardest one, I think.
Gary, Barry, Martin, Barry, Reese,
Connor.
Awesome, they've done a fantastic, amazing job. So that's it, all the windows are in. Blowing a gale here today. A big shout out to all the Nordic crew that did amazing getting everything done.